night. Sometimes I cross the line, but I always get there just the same.
We're free-forming it for these jewelry pieces, and you can't beat that because you can't really screw it up, and the possibilities are endless. Metal stones you can create yourself out of an inexpensive spool of solder. So you need to decide what type of wood you want to wear. Those interesting bits and pieces that you can easily turn into pieces of jewelry and wear them proudly. No material is off limits when it comes to creating jewelry, and that includes plastic. And by adding some wooden gems to your jewelry collection, you'll be keeping things interesting.
If we had one more night, maybe just a little time to keep me